Hello my beautiful queens, welcome back to the Queendom, my YouTube channel. I am Queendom Mindset and today I'm giving you a brand new wig review on the unit that I'm wearing right now. If you're feeling this bob, make sure that you click the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and keep watching. Alright queens, let's go ahead and get started. So the unit that I'm going to be giving you today is by Bobbi Boss, and this is MLF219 Nadine short. So there's a longer version of this bob, but I chose the shorter version and I'm hoping that I can wear this to work. So I'm super excited to try it. This is what the tag looks like. And this color that she's wearing is TT4/RS pink, and I have purchased a color 1. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the units. I did not pluck the part, but I did add some concealer and a teensy bit of foundation. So this is really gorgeous, ladies. I definitely will be wearing this to work. This is a perfect work slay. I'm liking the bob length. It brings some versatility to the style. I really like it. I haven't experienced a lot of shedding, very minimal. I haven't experienced any tangling. This side is a very blunt cut. I am noticing that some of the longer side does tend to fall into this side, but this is very nice for a synthetic wig. So ladies, let me know what your thoughts are on Nadine short. Have you tried the longer version? Which one do you like better? Alright, before I go queens, I have to share some really exciting news with you. I just released my first book entitled The Wig Game, and it is available on Amazon.com. I will leave the link to everything in the description, but I am so excited about my baby. I thank God that I was able to get it published, and it is now available for purchase through Amazon.com, so make sure you guys check it out. I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe so you can join this amazing queendom, and I will see you in the next video.